Okay, so we've got two really strong choices here. I've got the bird design. I kind of like the idea of the large bird, where this area here would be the the beak, the mouth of the bird, and then this would be the bird's head. And then we've got a nice area down here where that would be one of the wing spans out here, and then the other wing would be located in the top right hand corner. So we've got a really strong bird shape on this one. I think I might just run with that idea. Okay, so finding the image, when I turn the canvas board this way, one thing that kind of sticks out to me is this large face here. If this was one eye, we could have the other eye here. We've got this round, large face. This would be the mouth area in here. This would be the nose. So we've got the classic two eyes, the nose, the mouth, and then we have this would be like a large face painting. I think that's perhaps the strongest out of all the designs that I've seen so far. Okay, when I turn it this way, we kind of have another nice location for an animal head here with the neck, maybe a horse perhaps, and then we've got some nice newspaper in this area where we could flush out. We could easily, I think, pop in the shape of a horse there. I do like this cross design in this corner here. That lends itself to maybe putting a nice design in this location. That would be an excellent location to do that. This would also make easily for another head of an animal with perhaps like antlers or maybe a moose shape or something. So we've got a nice animal shape in the top left hand corner. That might be a possibility, but I am really leaning towards doing this large bird. I really think the canvas is kind of shouting out to me what it wants to be, and that would be the large bird. then, so the large face painting was very tempted, but I decided that I would go with the large bird moose combo. So now that we have the newspaper and gluing finished, let's just have a final look at what we have here. Okay, so that should be really fun to color. That's our last step, will be actually to throw down some acrylic colors and see what we can do to put the final touches on this large painting.